Dan Hardinger, minsan nandyan pa si Capiran, di ba? Pero dead last pagdating sa rebound, rain or shine.
Oh, grabe naman yun. Give and go, Brownlee. And the Henry Walker. Thompson, free throw line extended.
And he has to play near the basket, so the operating space is medyo stagnant. Every now and then, they will...
Dino, no. Thompson, the board. Bumomba sa ere. Pero hindi umabra. Tarakot. Nowhere to go. Too many red shirts. Itong maki-Jeff Chan, pero wala yan. Rebounded by Paul Peralta. Tako nagkara-para akong fake pass.
Kasi papuntang kaliwa halos yun.
For the lead. No. 3. Rebounded by JB, but that is wrested away by Thompson. By Aguilar. Brownlee. Finding Thompson for 2.
Now up to West.
Life is so difficult. You have to remember that you're just playing basketball. Did Thompson just try to dunk? Thompson penetrating. Trusting the defense. Libre si Chan. Bang, bang! Why is Jeff Chan wide open? What a Thompson from out of nowhere. Thompson diving. Pinapa pa! Earl Scottie Thompson. Momentum swinging to the other side, but then it was because of this guy, Thompson, to Stan Hardinger.